Social Science, Grade 8, Block 14, Understanding Secularism, LP1, State and Religion by teacher Shikha. Student will be able to explain the need to separate religion from the control of the state. Keywords: state, secular. Children, the Indian Constitution says that everyone is free to practice his/her own religion. Children, why do you think it is important? So basically children, today we are going to discuss about why the state should give religious freedom to all and not use its powers to control religion. Children, let's read the case study of persecution of Jews in Nazi Germany from the section State and Religion in the content book. Please underline the lines from the passage that shows unfairness or ill treatment towards a religious community. Children, here the word state means the term state in this context does not refer to government or area of a country, but rather to a group of people who are independent from foreign control, has its own government, and occupies a definite territory. What is this passage about? Why was it possible for Hitler to prosecute the Jews even though the Nazis were not a religious party? Was this fair treatment against the Jews? Why? Children, let's discuss this. This passage tells us about the Jews were treated badly or persecuted by the Nazi party led by Hitler in Germany during the Second World War. Hitler had become the leader of the Nazi party and came to power in Germany. He singled out the Jews and held them responsible for the economic problems that Germany was facing at that time. He also believed that the Jews were an inferior race and wanted to get rid of them. He controlled the state and commanded the prosecution of Jews, which was an unfair act against a religious community. Important pointers: state and religion should be separate so that people can freely practice their religion, so that laws in the state are not made based on religion. Okay children, now let's generalize our statement. When can the state dominate religious communities? What might happen if it is intolerant of other religions? Why is it necessary to prevent a state from interfering with religion? How is this done? The state can dominate religious communities if it has control over religious matters. If the government of a country is intolerant towards a religion, it may be hostile towards a particular religious community or make one religion the official religion of the country at the cost of other religions. As a result, other religious communities may be discriminated against and denied religious freedom. Religion is a matter and people should be free to practice, profess or change their religion if they choose. They should be allowed to interpret religious teachings in the way they choose. If the state controls religion, it would go against democracy, which grants equal rights to all irrespective of religion. Democratic states should be secular and give freedom of religion to people and not make laws based or influenced by religion. Children, I have an important question. Is India a secular state? Give reasons. Children, as per the Indian Constitution, India is a secular state which grants the right to freedom of religion to people, and religion is made separate from the state. Children, now it's a time for some application. Please try to solve your worksheet and mark difficulties so that we can discuss it during online session. The task is that children, all the students should be able to explain why India is a secular state and need to separate religion from control of the state. I hope important points are clear to you now. Have a great day ahead, children. Take care of your near and dear ones. Thank you. Bye bye.